Hello traders, today we'll be doing our weekly market analysis for the pairs such as GBPAUD, JPY, EURJPY and US30. We'll be doing this analysis for the week from 19 April 2021 to 25th April 2021. Now before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. We do live trading every day on the London and New York session, so if you want to trade with us live, then make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Now on the GBPAUD chart on a daily time frame, recently it broke the long-lasting uptrend line with huge bearish momentum and also a symmetrical triangle that we talked about on our last week's market analysis. We told that we were talking about how GBPAUD might retest this zone or this zone and then break this symmetrical triangle pattern on the downside, and it did do that. Like it broke this symmetrical triangle with some bearish momentum after retesting this or this zone, and so you can see after breaking this long-lasting uptrend line, GBPAUD is currently trying to retest probably this zone, or probably retesting this very zone right here to move even further down on a downtrend, forming a downtrend like this maybe. Or if the GBPAUD makes a pullback around this or this zone, then it might make a pullback all towards this, might make a pullback to retest this trend line on a longer time frame that you see we already drew. But if the price doesn't respect this zone and tries to retest this zone, then you should wait, go to a shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame or even shorter, and wait for the price to actually break out of this zone right here that you see right here. So if you wanna if the price doesn't respect this zone, that you can tell is if the price breaks out of this zone on the way up, then you can take a long entry, set your TP around here or here. Then I think it might come to retest this zone or either this zone. That's what GBPAUD might do on the next. That's what I think. So you just wait to see if the price breaks out of this zone, or you can wait to see if when the price makes a pullback towards this zone or this zone, then you can enter as a short take a short position on the break of the structure that it would form around here on the retest of this zone. So we're gonna look at the GBPJPY chart for now. Now on the GBPJPY chart, we discussed about this inverted cup and the handle pattern being formed on a longer time frame, like that has been seen on a weekly to daily time frame. We talked about this inverted cup and handle pattern like way back on our video that you see right here. You see right here 4 months ago that we drew this inverted cup and handle pattern, and I made a video over it. And you see GBPAUD already still in that formation of inverted cup and handle pattern. It is currently forming this retesting this handle pattern 10 channel that you see right here. So GBPAUD is retesting this handle pattern. Now if it makes a breakout of this downtrend line, if it really makes a breakout of this inverted cup and handle pattern, then by the after when the price breaks out of inverted cup and handle pattern, then it breaks out with huge bearish momentum. So be ready for that. But for now, we're gonna look at this on a shorter time frame to have a look at it better. So on a shorter time frame, you can see that GBPJPY formed a little bit of a consolidation phase. That's the resistance zone, that's the support zone. So on the daily time frame, you can see, so you can wait for the price to actually break out of either this zone or this zone. If the price breaks out of this zone, then you can take a short entry. If the price breaks out of this zone, then you can take a long entry. But I don't think that long entry would be like a long lasting one, because it might make a retest around just probably this zone or this green level that you see right here. Yeah, and then maybe it might make a pullback towards this zone and then continue its move downward. Or if the price breaks out of this zone, then it might make a huge move downward to retest this trend line that you see right here on the handle pattern right here. So that's my analysis on GBPJPY. You should wait to see if the price breaks out of this zone in either ways. You can, if you wanna if the price breaks out of this zone on a long side, then you should definitely go to a shorter time frame, like a 30 minutes time frame, and then enter the price when the price breaks and close above this zone, and then you can set your TP around here and your stop loss to probably below the next below the previous structure of support zone. Now let's head back to daily time frame and then EURJPY. Okay, so on the EURJPY chart, you see the price after breaking this downtrend channel is on an uptrend channel. There's nothing much to say, you can see it clearly on the chart already. So it's currently retest it's forming a bit of a triangle pattern right here. It's formed actually after retesting this zone, and then it's forming a like ascending triangle, like that kind of pattern right here. This is the retest points, this, that. So you see, price is breaking this triangle pattern on that is been seen in daily time frame with bearish momentum, but we're not gonna take an entry just because that it seems like price is breaking this like a triangle pattern. We can draw a zone right around here, you see. So you can wait for the price to actually break and close below this zone, and that's when you can take a short entry probably thinking that EURJPY will be retesting this trend line over here. But if the price doesn't break and close below this zone, then don't take a short entry. Just because you see this long wick and this bearish momentum, don't enter. Okay, wait for the price to actually break out of this zone right here that we drew. Let's close this one. Yes, so wait for the price to actually break out of this zone right here, then you can take a short entry to probably setting your TP around this zone to price around this trend line. That price should be retesting this trend line. Okay, so wait for the price to break out of this zone, then you can take a short entry. And if the price breaks out of this zone, breaks and close above this zone, then that might be a sign, okay, the price is in its continuation of following this uptrend and it's making its bullish momentum move on the way up. Now let's go to US30 chart. So on a daily time frame, on a US30 chart, you see this price got shrink and then broke out of this like a channel, 10 channel, like price broke out of this 10 channel with bullish momentum, and it's currently moving on its way up. Now we can go to a shorter, like a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so you can see that your US30 is following this like a uptrend line. Let's draw a trend channel over here. Let's see. It's not much to say, US30 on steroids right now. US30 made a retest on this trend channel level over here. Then now I think the US30 might make another retest over here. So yeah, I think US30 might make a retest on this zone or this zone, then continue its move upward. But if it breaks out of this trend line, then it might make a retest all the way to down here or here or here. It's really hard to say, it will depend on the volume and how it moves. We can't say it for sure now. No one can, because the market does it whatever the hell it wants. So just an analysis that if US30 doesn't comes to retest this zone and continues to move up and continues to break this uptrend line, then it might make a retest all the way up towards this or this zone. So that's my analysis for these 4 pairs, weekly market analysis. But if you enjoyed the video, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We make all these videos, we do all these hard works, and all we ask of you guys is that you subscribe to our channel and also give the video a like. Giving the video a like helps a lot. Okay, helps a lot. So please make sure to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, then just ask us in the comment box below. We'll be doing live trading again today on the New York session. Yes, so you can join with us on that live streaming. We'll give a Zoom link, Zoom meeting ID in the video description, so you can just go to the link and join us in our call and also join this live stream also. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you again on the next video.